Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WDBG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls did put together a nice bounce. But that also leads to the very valid and fair question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around the level down here at a penny. So why is a penny so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about a penny. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was before getting the breakout. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you got stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just quantifying that term progress as the penny mark. What about levels of resistance? Really, it's all about the pink line right there, the 200 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. But in my opinion, the pressing matter right now has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's all about starting to go through some healthy consolidations and build upon the nice bounce that occurred today. And again, what do I mean by build upon? Well, it all goes back to that penny mark, because if the price can stay above a penny, that's going to allow that that next stair step to be built, which is progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. So nice bounce today. It'll be interesting to see how this one plays out next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.